Hey guys, Kevin Swaney here, 10 Indian Performance. Out in the shop here this morning and wanted to get a little product info out to you guys. This is our new crank mandrel, version 2.0. This mandrel uses the same bolt patterns as the original design. Has both big block Chevy 3-bolt pattern, which is typical for an ATI balancer. Also has the 4-bolt Pontiac bolt pattern as well. One of the big changes is the diameter of this is a lot smaller. It fits inside a stock Pontiac pulley as well as a March pulley without any additional machining. That in turn makes this thing about 140 some odd grams lighter than the original version. Probably the biggest enhancement here, and the main reason why we designed this mandrel the way we did, is the addition of this nut, which you can then use to turn your motor over without removing the mandrel. Previous version had a 5/8 cap screw in here, and we highly didn't recommend that you tried to spin your motor over with that bolt, because the likelihood of you pulling these threads out was pretty high. So with this unit, you can turn it right here with a 15/16 open end wrench or socket. The other thing we're thinking about doing here is hard anodizing the cap. Not sure if the juice is worth the squeeze on that or not. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think eventually this will get marred up just as easily as the plain aluminum will. But so yeah, guys, if you want to pre-order this, hop on over to the website, and just be advised that we probably won't have these for at least a month or two. But we're hoping no later than the middle of December to have these on the website. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.